Pruning your trees is a standard part of garden and landscape maintenance and can help a tree not only look its best, but also stay healthy and strong. Additionally, tree pruning can lower the chance of spreading wildfires. The best tool for the job is pruning shears. The right tool needed for a job depends on a variety of things, including branch thickness, location on the tree, and height of the branch. If you have questions, please consult a tree trimming professional and always use caution when handling tools. For taller trees that could affect your home's roof, you'll need a ladder or a pole saw to reach the branches that need pruning. Light pruning, such as removing dead or damaged wood, should be done throughout the year. Heavier pruning should only be done once a season, at most. Begin by identifying the type of tree. Is it a conifer or deciduous? The type of tree determines when it's safe to prune it. Check out Mercury's Insurance Guide to Firescaping for when it's best to prune a tree. Prune branches that block your walkway, threaten telephone wires, or rub against your home's roof. Remove flammable tree vegetation from 5 feet on all sides of your house. Overhead vegetation should maintain at least 10 feet of clearance to best protect your home from wildfire. Remove dead, diseased, or damaged branches first. If more than half the tree is dead or damaged, it's recommended you replace the tree instead of pruning it. A professional may be required to remove the beyond repair tree. Find the major branch skeleton of the tree. Avoid removing these branches. To minimize damage to the tree, begin pruning by making a cut on the underside of the branch. This cut should not go all the way through, but will help prevent the branch from cracking too close to the tree. Then, cut off the branch several inches from the tree's trunk, beyond the initial cut you have made. This should leave a stub emerging from the trunk where the branch was. Lastly, make a precise cut to remove the stub. Pruning your trees can help protect your home against wildfire damage, but it also helps to have the right type of trees and the right type of insurance. Download Mercury Insurance's Guide to Firescaping and talk to your agent to make sure you're covered in case of a wildfire.